Hi, it's Friday, so let's chill and do something easy today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn Frontend and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Let's solve today kata titled Build a Square. I will give you an integer, given back a shape that is as long and wide as the integer. The integer will be a whole number between 0 and 50. Example, n equals 3, so I expect a square 3 times 3 back just like below as a string. Okay, let's try. We have a function that should return a string divided by a return symbol. Okay, let's just simply solve this using the straightforward approach. Let's create a value that should be a resultant string. It should be empty as of now. Then a for loop. Let index starting from 0 and index until int. It's our input value. Int times int. Then index plus plus. Then if this index is the last element of the string, so it should be divided. The reminders should be equal to 0, and this is not the first element of this sequence. Then add dividers string plus equal return symbol. Otherwise, add one more plus to this square sequence string. Okay, and now return this string. Let's try our solution. That's correct. Good. Now let's refactor our solution, and instead of this if, let's do it a bit differently. Let's create an addition array like this, and I'll put string sequence here. So I need this for loop until int, and then simply string plus. And here I need one more loop that should be index starting from 0 and until index is our input values, index plus plus. Then push to the array one more string like this, and then return array, join it by a divider symbol. Let's try. Of course, this should be string. Good, that also works. Now let's use a repeat method to make it even simpler. Instead of this, I'll use only one for loop. So for that I need this for loop and push a symbol itself like plus and repeat int times. Let's try. Yes, that's correct. Now I can optimize this solution, and instead of this for loop, let's use a spread operator for an array. So I'll create an array, its length should be int, and then map over this array and fill it with required symbols. Let's do that as following. Let's remove everything and start from the scratch. So I'll return a new value that should be an array, a new array, length int, and then map over it. And after all, I'll join this array using our divider symbol, like this. And now this map function, that should be x, and then our symbols repeat int times. Let's try. Good. And now I can use a fat arrow to make this solution simpler. So const here a function, a fat arrow here, don't need this one, and don't need this one. Let's check. Okay, let's check against all the cases. Yes, that works. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.